Chicken is widely considered to be one of the most versatile types of meat. It's absolutely true that we often tend to use chicken in many meals. Even though chicken is usually known as a healthy choice, that doesn't mean it's a good choice to serve this bird on a daily basis. Eating chicken. Plenty of people will serve chicken on a regular basis. Not only is it a good fit for many dishes, but it's also relatively easy to prepare, and a lot of people like it. Another reason why a lot of people choose chicken is that it's a lean type of meat. It contains a lot of protein, while its fat contents are low compared to red meats. That sounds like plenty of good reasons to eat a lot of chicken, right? Well, no, it could lead to a few of the following problems. Too much chicken. We know a varied diet is a key to a healthy lifestyle. This is also true for eating chicken. Too much of the same thing isn't beneficial, as it can lead to health problems. Excess consumption of chicken is bad for your weight and your heart, and you run an increased risk of coming down with food poisoning. Too much protein. Ideally, around 10 to 35% of your daily caloric intake should consist of protein. Eating too much protein causes your body to store this as fat. This means your weight gain increases and leads to elevated blood lipid levels. Chowing down on a big piece of chicken every day will contribute to a massive portion of your protein intake, so be sure to keep a close eye. Larger risk of heart disease. Eating too much chicken can lead to higher cholesterol levels. It won't come as a surprise that this is related to cardiovascular disease. This way, eating chicken and other products rich in protein indirectly increase the risk of cardiovascular issues, health problems that could cause death. Trouble maintaining weight. Consuming too many animal-based proteins, like chicken, can make it hard to maintain a healthy weight. According to the Huffington Post, people who can go without meat, like vegetarians, pescatarians, vegans, or flexitarians, usually have a lower BMI than people who do eat meat on a daily basis. A higher chance of antibiotic resistance. It's common practice among poultry farmers to force antibiotics on their livestock by eating this chicken. Humans can then become resistant to these antibiotics. Of course, this poses a very real risk when you're dealing with an infection and you have to take antibiotics. Chances are the medication doesn't work the way it should.